Let's take a minute to talk about data surveillance. As described in ICH E8, this is now a regulatory requirement, and we all need to find a way to bring our data together, collated in one space, in order to be able to view, to make certain decisions, and to view data insights. In some cases, this may mean that we're going to bring multiple data sets together from different sources, or perhaps just data sets from the same places. Within the BioGrid system, all of this is possible. But for the purpose of this quick demo, I'm just going to show you the view of 3 dashboards and single set data sets. We'll start with the safety dashboard, which we viewed in the previous video. But just as an example, this is how you can see data in a summarized format for data surveillance purposes. We're looking at all the safety data that we can view in a particular space for a particular patient or a particular event. Data can be drilled up or down here in a very easily format. It can also be exported as needed. Let's take a look at a different type of dashboard, specifically the lab data. In this case, the data has been specifically filtered out to look at only the out-of-range values. You can see the tests, the specific sites for which the values are available, and we can even add calculations to help you with your view. In this case, we were looking for outliers on the high positive or negative side. Data can now be drilled down to specifically on a test level, giving you the output for specific tests for patients, or perhaps on the calculation method, specifically providing the outputs for those tests that are lying on the outside of the result curve. Another example is for vital signs. For the purpose of this video, I have pre-selected the test as pulse rate, and specifically for site 701. You could add multiple selections or multiple sites as you like. When viewing the data, it's always important to remember what you're trying to compare. In this graph, we're looking at the baseline result, which is the green result, and all other test results in orange. This gives you a quick eye view of whether the data has changed from baseline in a positive or negative fashion. You can then also watch the rest of the data points by observing them on trend lines. Here is an example. You can see the trends, the minimum, the maximum, the median, or even the average when it makes sense for a data point. This data can then be further drilled down by patient, for example, to be viewed in a specific context. This was just a short demonstration on how we can view the data when doing data surveillance. For a more detailed demonstration, please do contact the BioForum team.